This BenQ monitor for creators offers accurate colors for a very reasonable price. Now, reliable monitors for creators usually come with a hefty price tag. This is because these monitors need to be good enough to be trusted with color accuracy. They must have an ergonomic design for marathon sessions, and they must also offer seamless connectivity for frequently used devices and accessories. The BenQ SW242Q promises all these features for a price of Rs 38,990. I am Deepak Singh, and in this review we will detail how this monitor performs and whether it truly stands up to the demands of modern creators. As you can see, this monitor has a simple and elegant design and does have those subtle professional vibes. The wide base takes a lot of room, but this is not space wasted. The leatherette surface is a nice place to keep accessories like earbuds or your phone securely in place. The best part is that you can also charge these accessories or even your laptop using the USB-C port with 90-watt power delivery. The grey plastic arm is solid and provides sturdy support for the IPS LCD panel. The stand provides all the customary adjustments including height, tilt, swivel and pivot. A cable management loop is included to keep the rear tidy. There's also a cover tray, but it's not easy to clip with all the cables plugged in. We have added details of connectivity options and other specs in the description below, so do check them out. And in case you haven't already noticed, this is a 16:10 monitor, which means it's noticeably taller than regular 24-inch monitors. This extra height makes a great deal of difference. I found it particularly helpful while reading content or when exploring mail trails and folders. There are no built-in speakers, but I have never really needed them on my monitors. Along with the monitor, the BenQ also centers the screen bar halo. This is a really well-designed desk light that can illuminate your workspace evenly without casting any light on the monitor. Initially, I dismissed it as a luxury add-on, but this indeed enhances the experience, and perhaps professional creators will get their money's worth. You can change the color temperature to match that of the monitor and also enjoy balanced lighting. This desk light can be controlled using this slick wireless puck that feels really premium. Now let's talk about the essence, the display quality. This is a sharp 2K IPS LCD panel with wide viewing angles and a high quality matte finish. It comes with several certifications like Pantone validated, Calman verified and Calman ready. In fact, you can also do a hardware calibration using Calman or BenQ Spirit Master Pro. We like that there is a dedicated info button to cross-check current display profile. You can also easily switch between color spaces and modes using the dedicated function button. This button can be remapped to other functions as well. Apart from popular color spaces, BenQ's paper color sync mode is also present on this monitor. This can give you a more accurate preview of how your image will look when printed. There's also a DICOM mode for medical professionals and a MacBook mode for Apple users. In our test, the SW242Q could reproduce 99% of DCI-P3, 96.5% of Adobe RGB and 79% of BT 2020 color space, which is quite impressive for the price. The grayscale response in the sRGB mode was quite precise. The contrast ratio of just 913:1 is low, and that limits it for serious video editing work. This affects the ability to display deep blacks and detailed shadows, which are critical for high quality visual work. The presets for popular color spaces are extremely accurate out of the box with a delta error of less than humanly perceptible value of 3. In the sRGB mode, the average delta error is just 1.4. In the display P3 mode, the average delta error is 1.8. The maximum deviation is with 100% white. In the Adobe RGB mode, we recorded an average delta error of just 1.5. And since this is a Calman ready monitor, we tried calibrating it using AutoCal for an even tighter response. The monitor still struggles to accurately render near black details. HDR10 is supported, and we measured a peak brightness of around 380 nits. The color accuracy is again excellent with HDR, but the dynamic range and contrast are not enough for an impactful experience. Still, HDR support proved useful whenever we needed to watch HDR content. The 60Hz monitor isn't designed for gaming or smooth motion handling, which is quite evident in its performance. Perhaps a 120Hz refresh rate would have been ideal. So to sum it up, the BenQ SW242Q is a fantastic choice for photographers and casual video editors who demand high color fidelity. It should be particularly appealing for graphic designers who don't need to get into the intricacies of calibrating their displays but still need a trusted monitor for color critical work. Higher contrast would have made it even more appealing for serious video editing. With excellent color accuracy across presets and support for hardware calibration, this monitor ensures precision when needed. It is comfortable on the eyes and to use, and the 2K resolution with a 16:10 aspect ratio is an added bonus. Hope we've answered all your questions regarding this BenQ monitor. If you have more, shoot them in the comment section below and we'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next one.